alarm as monsters began falling from the clouds. They ran as the ground exploded. Liam pulled her behind a broken car just as something massive slammed nearby. A scream ripped through the street. Maya froze, but Liam yanked her forward as fire and debris rained down. Glass shattered, walls cracked. Liam wrapped his body over hers, shielding her as claws scraped past. Another monster crashed beside them. Maya grabbed Liam's hand tight. For a moment, fear turned into connection. The street went quiet. Maya trembled as Liam held her.
Did you know you can create something like this with Grok for free? Let's start. This is the prompt. Pause and take a screenshot of it. As you can see, it gave me 60-second video scripts. Here, ask it to generate properly. This is the prompt. Pause and take a screenshot of it. As you can see, it gave me a clear script from scene 1 to scene 8. I also asked it to give me a script which I will use as a voiceover, which it did it. I also asked it of sound and everything so that I can edit it on CapCut, and it gave me everything that I wanted. First step, click on the first prompt I mentioned. Click on it and copy the scene 1. Go to Grok. Click on create video. Paste the prompt here. Then click here. You see different good images for you to choose. After checking which image you want, then click here. Click make video and also click default. Voila, this is it. Click here to download it. Go back to Grok settings. Scroll down and enable this. Go back to ChatGPT and copy this into. Go back to Grok. Click here. Click your video. Drag the video to the end. Paste your prompt. Voila, this is the scene 2. Do the same to scene 3. Go to ChatGPT. Copy the scene 3. Go back to Grok. Drag the video to the ending, then paste the prompt. Likewise, other scene. You also do the same to other scene. Second step, go to Chrome. Search Google AI Studio for your voiceover. Click Text to Speech with Gemini. Select it to be single speaker audio. And select the voice you want. I already asked AI how I want the voice to be, so I copy it, then go back to Grok, paste it here. I also paste the script voiceover and click run. Then I click here to download it. I open my CapCut to do some couple of editing.